Early bird get the worm. I see it already. I see what's coming like. I see where I'm at with it. Yeah. Come on, let's see where I'm at with it. Check me out. Just so y'all know I ain't faking. Hold on. I'll show you the after effects. I usually don't take pictures because I'm a self-made man. What I'm taking pictures for, I'm here doing the work. I mean, yeah, we're gonna do all that. It's gonna look real pretty when I come back. You feel me? Yeah. I got you next. But wait, it's gonna get better. You see where I'm coming from. Look at the evenness. Yeah, you see, the rest of it looked like this. I ain't even done with this yet. Oh, it's coming. Watch how it changes. Pow. Pow. You know not to play with me. Huh. Oh. $50 Fridays, man. This is what $50 Fridays bring you. Huh? That's what $50 Fridays get you. What? Yeah, I know. Just me and my push mower I pulled up today. I ain't got time for all the other equipment. Cause I'm nice with just that. Yeah, $50 Fridays. Y'all better tap in with me, man. Under the tree. What's up, Power Smart? Let's go. Yeah. Who fucking with me? I know how it go. Yeah. Yeah. I know that football field, right? Yeah, you know what time it is. Get some more money. Get some more money. Get some more money. It don't stop.
I could not just off her hand skills. I had paid the half for all the drink that I was sipping. I came for a pint, I robbed him back, so I ain't tripping.